from the Robichaud Realty Group, and today we're navigating high interest rates and the real estate market. Stick around for expert tips to make an informed decision when buying a home.
Interest rates are a crucial factor in the housing market. Let's start by understanding their impact.
Higher interest rates can mean higher monthly payments, but sometimes that can also mean less competition and more room for negotiation.
One key strategy is to identify motivated sellers.
These sellers are often more willing to negotiate on price, which can offset the impact of higher interest rates.
So how would you go about identifying a motivated seller?
Well, we usually pay attention to days on the market and we get on the phone. We call around. There's a specific area, specific neighborhood. We get on the phone and we find out, hey, has your seller considered this amount? Has your seller considered helping buy down the interest rate? And that really, really helps us to make a short list of interested sellers, motivated sellers.
Awesome. Another vital aspect to consider is your credit score.
A higher credit score can secure better loan terms. Let's talk about how you can boost your credit score before applying for a loan.
I think the biggest thing day one is to talk to your lender.
Yeah, I would definitely get with the lender because they have little simulator calculators that can tell you, different scenarios. What if I apply X amount of dollars to paying off this credit card? Or what if I apply X amount of dollars to paying off my car? Small balances like that. And they can give you an idea of how your credit score will be affected.
Next up is exploring different loan options.
In our area, we are seeing a lot of FHA and conventional. We do still see VA loans, but the one that is really taking the lead here is FHA loans. Typically, we didn't see that so much in the last 2-3 years because they allow for higher DTI, debt to income ratios, and lower credit scores. But boy, those FHA loans right now are coming out with a significantly lower interest rate. And so it really has become very appealing for a lot of buyers.
Based on your down payment, there are some options where the PMI will go away. Last I heard was 11 years.
Mm-hmm.
Lastly, it's about having the right negotiation tactics.
Understanding market value, comparable homes, and having a skilled realtor can make a huge difference in your negotiation success.
So a couple negotiation strategies we've seen work is identifying days on the market and potentially getting a price reduction.
Mm-hmm.
But also, as we were talking earlier, there was interest buy downs where sellers can contribute to buyers' closing costs that goes towards lowering their interest. There's 3-2-1 buy downs, there's 2-1 buy downs, and we've talked about that in other videos, and I can link it over there. So the good news we have seen in the past 2 weeks with all the news articles, lenders talking, emailing, texting us.
There's definitely a buzz.
Yeah.
I would say our phones are, they're going.
Yeah.
Even just 2 days ago, interest rates have gone. They were hovering at a low 7. And then just yesterday, now we're starting to see like 6.5, 6.75. And so it's very exciting because the feds came out and they announced that they were going to lower the interest rates at least 3 more times in 2024. Yeah. So good news.
So if you're a seller, this is great news. If you're a buyer, this may be the ideal time to purchase. Think about refinancing down the road, because if interest rates hit in the 5s, there's going to be an explosion in the market.
Yeah.
So buckle up. So high interest rates do not have to be a barrier in buying your dream home.
So if you're looking for personalized advice in the Houston real estate market, you know who to call.
Don't forget to like and share.
And subscribe for more.
Oh, and subscribe for more insights.